If you're an American retiree looking to preserve your retirement savings in the face of rising inflation, you're probably thinking about ways to protect your wealth without taking unnecessary risks. Inflation-protected securities, like Treasury inflation-protected securities or TIPS, are one potential solution. But how do they fit into your retirement strategy, and are they the best option for you? Before diving into tips, let's talk about the need for inflation protection in your portfolio. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of your savings over time, meaning that money you thought would be enough to sustain your retirement lifestyle may not stretch as far as you'd hope. For retirees with large IRAs or 401ks, this becomes even more critical. A strategy that protects against inflation can help ensure that your nest egg doesn't lose value when prices continue to climb. Now, if you're new to Treasury inflation-protected securities, they are government bonds designed to keep up with inflation. TIPS are backed by the US government, making them a relatively low-risk investment, and their principal value increases with inflation. That means your TIPS will adjust to keep up with the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, so your investment grows with inflation. The added benefit is that the interest rate on TIPS is fixed, so you'll still get a steady income stream, plus the value of your principal is protected from inflationary losses. But here's the thing. While TIPS are a solid choice for inflation protection, they don't offer the level of growth that might be necessary for retirees with larger sums saved. At the end of the day, the returns on TIPS tend to be low compared to other investment options. And if you're someone who has more than $100K in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, you're likely looking for a better way to safeguard your wealth. Gold IRAs come into play here. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend checking out the free Gold IRA guide linked in the description below. Thousands of Americans are turning to Gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement savings, especially in today's economic environment where inflation and stock market volatility are major concerns. The guide offers invaluable information to help you navigate this critical decision and find the best Gold IRA company to meet your needs. Back to inflation-protected securities like TIPS, while they serve a purpose in a well-rounded retirement strategy, they don't offer the same diversification that a Gold IRA can provide. Gold, for centuries, has been a hedge against inflation. It's a tangible asset that tends to perform well when the value of currency declines. Unlike TIPS, which are tied to government debt, Gold IRAs offer exposure to the price of gold, a commodity that has historically held its value over time. As a retiree with a significant nest egg, you want a solution that doesn't just protect your savings from inflation, but also provides long-term growth potential. That's why many retirees are choosing Gold IRAs. By rolling over a portion of your IRA or 401k into gold, you're adding an asset that historically appreciates in value during periods of inflation or economic uncertainty. Unlike TIPS, gold is not tied to the government's ability to pay off debt, which gives it an edge in the event of financial instability. If you want to ensure you're not exposed to the volatility of the stock market or the low yields of traditional bonds, a Gold IRA might be the right move. It's particularly effective for American retirees who have substantial savings, especially those with 100K plus in their IRA or 401k. Gold IRAs allow you to keep your retirement wealth secure with an asset that tends to increase in value over time. So here's the deal. If you're looking to preserve your wealth from inflation, you've got options. But for American retirees with a significant nest egg, it's hard to beat the benefits of a Gold IRA. If you want to learn more about why thousands of Americans are opening Gold IRAs to protect their wealth, click the first link in the description for a free guide. This could be the move that helps you secure your retirement for years to come. In conclusion, while inflation-protected securities like TIPS are a safe bet, they don't provide the same growth or inflation resistance that a Gold IRA can. For retirees with more than 100K in savings, or even up to $5 million, a Gold IRA is a solution that not only protects your wealth, but also positions you for long-term financial success. Make sure to check out the free guide, and don't wait, protect your retirement savings today.